I'm Jim Pinkham, MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168. Let's look at a Harris 250 Cruiser. This Harris 250 Cruiser is powered with a 150 Mercury 4-stroke engine. It has a 4-step stainless steel ladder, a ski tow bar, has a black anodized rail system, bimini top. This is the center walkthrough version. Plenty of cup holders. This is in the gray interior. We have the Fusion stereo, depth finder, speedometer, tack gauge, fuel sender unit, trim gauge, dual captain chairs, plenty of seating in the bow with the floor storage, large walk-through gate in front. This is the 2019 Harris 250 Cruiser. If you'd like to take a look at this Harris 250 Cruiser, come by and see us at MarineMax Lake Norman. I'm Jim Pinkham at 704-997-2168.